Welcome to our color adventure. Today, we're going to learn some fun colors in English. We'll look at each color, say its name, and find something exciting that matches. Are you ready? Let's go and explore the world of colors together. Yellow.
Yellow.
What color is this chick?
This chick is yellow.
Red.
Red.
Do you know the color of this apple?
It's red.
Blue.
Blue.
What color do we see in the sky?
We see blue.
Green.
Green.
What color is this leaf?
This leaf is green.
Orange.
Orange.
Have you noticed the color of a carrot?
Carrots are orange.
Pink.
Pink.
What color is this flower?
This flower is pink.
Purple.
Purple.
Can you tell what color these grapes are?
They're purple.
Black.
Black.
What color is this cat?
This cat is black.
White.
White.
What color is the snow you see?
Snow is white.
Brown.
Brown.
What color is this bear?
This bear is brown.
Gray.
Gray.
What color is this elephant?
It's gray.
Gold.
Gold.
Do you know the color of this crown?
The crown is gold.
Now it's quiz time. Let's see how many colors you remember. What color is this banana?
It's yellow.
Yes, it's yellow. Great job. Can you tell the color of this fire truck?
It's red.
That's right, it's red. Well done. What color is this snowman's hat?
It's black.
Yes, it's black. Awesome. Do you know the color of this dolphin?
It's gray.
Correct, it's gray. Fantastic. What color is this pumpkin?
It's orange.
Great answer. Well done! You've learned so many colors today. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know all the colors around you. See you next time.